Today's video is about chemokine, the introduction of chemokines. Chemokine, Chemokines are small protein which is 8 to 10 kilodalton. Kilodalton is unit. 1 dalton is a mass of proton. Chemokine are the family of cytokines. Cytokines and chemokines are seems to be similar, but they are not similar. Chemokines are small protein, but the cytokines are large protein. They may be peptide, they may be glycoprotein also. And chemokines are a category of signaling molecule that mediate and regulate immunity, inflammation, and hematopoiesis. Hematopoiesis means formation of new blood vessels. The chemokines are chemotactic or chemoattractive. Chemotactic or chemoattractive means they attract other cells or they attract cells. They are signaling molecule and they play a vital role in cell migration. Cell migration through venules from blood into tissue and vice versa. They regulate lymphoid organ development, T cell differentiation, mediate tumor cell metastasis. Metastasis is very important term. Metastasis means migration of cancer. This is also known as stage 4 cancer. They spread to a different part of body. If cancer occur in a specific part, if metastasis occur, they spread into whole body. Recently, the chemokines have a function to the nervous system as neuromodulators. Neuromodulators are subset of neurotransmitters. They may be neuropeptide or hormones. They have a spatially distributed temporary extended effect on the recipient neuron and circuit. Neuromodulators secreted by a small group of neurons diffuse through large area of the nervous system affecting multiple neurons. Next point is about chemokine receptor. A cell to respond to a chemokine, it is must express a complementary chemokine receptor. Without chemokine receptor, the chemokine is not able to attract any cell or do not perform the function of chemoattractive or chemotactic. We are talking about chemokine receptor. Chemokine receptor belong to the vast family of GPCRs, that means G protein coupled receptor. GPCR is 7 transmembrane receptor which bind extracellular ligand and consequently initiate intracellular signaling. Here CC denotes chemokine and CCR denotes chemokine receptor. When chemokine binds with chemokine receptor, it creates a calcium signaling cascade. This calcium signaling cascade activate small GTPases. GTPases is an enzyme. Activation of GTPases resulting activation of integrin and actin polymerization. Due to this, development of pseudopodia-like structure occurs in cell, then polarized cell morphology happens, and then ultimately cell start movement. When we are talking about integrin are molecules involved in cell adhesion. Integrins are also protein which attaching the cell cytoskeletal to the extracellular matrix ECM biochemically by sensing whether adhesion has occurred. This is the ultimate cell movement pathway when CC chemokine binds with chemokine receptor. So, here is immune cell chemotaxis. We all know that chemokines have chemotaxis property. It attracts its nearby cell or any other cell. So here a immune cell, it may be leukocyte or any other immune cell is present in it. CCR is present. CCR means chemokine receptor. These chemokine receptor get attracted by CC gradient. CC gradient attract CCR and activate these cells. After get activation, it change its morphology and start the formation of pseudopodia like structure. Due to this pseudopodia like structure, it migrate. These cells start rolling, and by rolling it comes in contact with chemokine which are present on the surface of endothelium. At this place, these cells are get arrested or get grabbed by chemokines, and this process is completed